Hello students. So today we have to start with chapter number 1, number system, in which we will discuss law of exponents, which is of class 9 NCERT. So let's discuss what is a raised to power n. ये आपने पहले lower classes में पढ़ा होगा. A is called base and n is called exponent or index. अगर हमें किसी भी नंबर की पावर करनी है then we use exponents. Now let's discuss what is the meaning of exponent of real numbers. For any real number a and a positive integer n, we define a raised to power n is a multiplied by a up to so on. We have to discuss, we have n factors. Now here a is called base and n is called exponent or index. So let's discuss one example. For example, you have to find 3 cube. 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 27. Similarly, if you want to find 3 by 2 raised to power 4, you have to multiply this 3 by 2 4 times. That is 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. So when you multiply this 3 4 times, what will you get? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. Similarly, when you multiply 2 4 times, what will you get? 2 into 2 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. तो आपको 3 को भी 4 बार मल्टीप्लाई करना है एंड 2 को भी 4 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So let's discuss what is negative exponent. For any positive integer n and non-zero real number a, we define a raised to power minus n is equal to 1 by a raised to power n. Means अगर आपको negative power निकालनी है then you will use negative exponent. Let's discuss one example. Like आपको निकालना है 2 raised to power minus 3, that is equal to 1 by 2 raised to power 3, that is equal to 1 by 8. So let's define nth root of a for a real number a which is positive. Let a and n be a positive real number, then a raised to power 1 by n, which is nth root of a, is equal to b if b raised to power n equal to a and b is positive. Example, when you have to write 3 raised to power 1 by 4 or root of 3 power 4, that is equal to 3 raised to power 1 by 4. So let's discuss more examples. Like you have to find 125 raised to power 1 by 3. This is equal to 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 raised to power 1 by 3, because we know 125 is 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 into 5 into 5 means 5 raised to power cube into 1 by 3. Now this 3 and 3 will get cancelled, you will get 5. Next we will discuss what is 32 raised to power 2 by 5. What is 32? 32 you will write 2 into 2 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So you can write it like this. Now इसमें 2 की कितनी पावर्स है? 2 raised to power 5 multiplied by 2 by 5. So 5 and 5 will get cancelled. You will get 2 square. 2 2s are 4. So you get answer as 4. Now let's discuss law of exponents. Let a and b be two positive real numbers and m and n are any two rational numbers, then a raised to power m into a raised to power m is equal to a raised to power m plus n. अगर आपके पास कोई भी दो नंबर्स मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं इन पावर्स, देन आप क्या करोगे? पावर्स ऐड कर दोगे, प्रोवाइडेड उनका बेस क्या होना चाहिए? सेम. अगर किसी भी दो नंबर का बेस सेम है तो आप क्या करोगे? पावर्स को ऐड कर दोगे, प्रोवाइडेड वो क्या होना चाहिए? मल्टीप्लाई होना चाहिए. सो लेट्स डिस्कस एग्जाम्पल. इसको अप्लाई करके देखते हैं. जैसे 2 raised to power 2 by 3 इंटू 2 raised to power 1 by 5. तो इसको आप कैसे फाइंड आउट करोगे? बिकॉज यहाँ पे बेस सेम है तो आप पावर्स को क्या कर सकते हो? ऐड. सो दिस इज 2 raised to power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. नाउ यू विल ऐड दीज टू फ्रैक्शंस. कैसे ऐड करोगे? 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. You have to take LCM of 3 and 5, which is 15. when you divide 15 by 3, you will get 5. 5 into 2, 10. And when you divide 15 by 5, you will get 3. 3 into 1, 3. So 10 plus 3 is equal to 13 by 15. So what is your answer? 2 raised to power 13 by 15. Now let's discuss another law, which is a raised to power m by a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m minus n, where m is greater than n. Now let's discuss example. 11 raised to power 1 by 2 divided by 11 raised to power 1 by 3 is equal to 11 raised to power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Like you can see here, this is law of division. जब आपके पास होगा a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n, तो क्या होगा, बेस सेम है तो ये पावर ऊपर जाके क्या हो जाएगी, माइनस, सो ये ऊपर चल जाएगा. So like this, now you have to find 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Again you have to take LCM. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. 2 and 3 का LCM क्या होगा, 6. When you divide 6 by 2 तो क्या आएगा, 3. 3 into 1 is 3. When you divide 6 by 3 तो क्या आएगा, 2. 2 into 1 is 2. So 3 minus 1, so 3 minus 2 is 1. That is 1 by 6. So what is your answer? 11 raised to power 1 by 6. Now let's discuss how to find a raised to power m raised to power n. If there is some power and there is again some power, अगर पावर के ऊपर पावर है तो उसको आप क्या करोगे, इन दोनों पावर्स को क्या कर दोगे, मल्टीप्लाई. लेट्स सी एग्जांपल, लाइक आपको आ गया 1 by 3 का क्यूब की पावर 7. तो आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे 1 by 3 की पावर 3 है और आगे एक और पावर है, दैट इज 7. तो उस केस में आप क्या करोगे, यू विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस पावर्स अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस रूल, दैट इज 3 into 7 which is 21. So answer is 1 by 3 raised to power 21. Now let's discuss, अगर आपके पास बेस अलग है लेकिन पावर सेम है, तो उस केस में क्या होगा, you will multiply the two numbers and you will take the exponent common. जो एक्सपोनेंट जो भी पावर होगी वो आप पावर कॉमन ले लोगे एंड ए और बी को आप क्या कर दोगे, मल्टीप्लाई. एग्जाम्पल 5 raised to power 1 by 2 into 6 raised to power 1 by 2. तो यहाँ पे आप क्या करोगे, 5 और 6 को मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक्सपोनेंट क्या है, सेम है, पावर क्या है, सेम है. तो 5 into 6 raised to power 1 by 2. 5 into 6 is 30 raised to power 1 by 2. So thank you. Now we have completed this chapter.